injection. Oh, this one is grapes. You color it violet.
I like violet. Is
Yeah.
that blue? Is that violet?
Oh no, it's
Oh!
this one.
Grapes are
Yeah, this one's grapes. Yes. Oh, you color inside only, ha?
I don't really say that. Oh no, it's like the where said where's a grapes. I don't know where's the grapes.
That is the grapes. So, you color inside only, ha? Oh wait, this one is apple. Red. Color red. No, that is orange.
Oh,
Color red. This one red, oh.
no,
Apple.
that one.
No, it's apple. Di ba apple is red?
Apple is pupo.
Oh no, this is apple pala.
Oh.
You eat the apple.
I eat that. Number 2.
Oh, careful, ah. You don't lagpas, ah. You see, oh, you color the the finger. Wow, very good, ah. I don't know what's this. What's this? You call it color yellow. I don't know what is the orange na lang, orange. I don't know what is that.
Daddy, it's funny.
Alright. You color inside, ah.
Lama, you like this. No monster will get, no battle will get that.
Yeah.
You be like this. Daddy. Lama.
How? Is it injection?
Yeah, I inject story.
Okay, you color na, bilis so that you can play na. What's that?
Funny, diba?
Balita sa'yo niyan. Hindi na mahalaga kung sino nagbalita sa akin. Ano ka ba naman, pa? Bakit ka pag-relax?
Dad. Hey, Dad. Daddy, by you.
Daddy?
One. Let's go to Stingray. 2. Let's go. It's close. 5. Let's play. Let's dribble. 2. It's hot.
4 na.
Huh?
4, it's hot.
4. It's hot.
Next. 5. 5.
5. It's Daddy reading books a day. It's a body.
They said that the wind will die down around 7 o'clock. We'll see. But you know how it is. The weather is unpredictable. Alright, let's make some dinner. Tonight's dinner.
Ngayon, paano yung hair mo?
Some pesto.
Wow. Sorry. Ay? Oh no, I'm so sorry. What are you tracing? Let me see. Wow, it's good. Very good, Clay. Ayan. Galing ni Clay. Dito. Be nice. Ay. Be nice, be nice. Be nice. Wow, ang galing ni Clay.
Magsasmile siya.
Busy sila.
Got all ingredients for the
Gaya-gaya to si Clay.
put in the bacon.
Yes, si Gaya.
One pot meal, baby. Let's go. That looks good. What's the recipe? Pesto? Bacon?
Hi, you remove. Why you remove?
Because I like this all. I told you. I miss my dad.
I miss my son.
I miss my dad.
I miss my son.
I miss my dad.
I miss my son. I miss my son.
Guys,
Guys.
hold.
Huh?
Guys,
Guys?
oh.
Oh?
Say the letters.
What's that?
Just say the letters.
Okay.
So,
Ah, you trace the letter.
yeah.
Ah.
You trace the letter. Ikaw na.
Yeah. You teach me first. You do it first, then me na. I'll trace the letter. Ang galing ah.
Wait, look. You're going to trace the old pan has a shape.
Mm-mm.
That's the old man that has shape.
Yes, opo.
Let's look.
So, gumawa niyan, Arian? O ikaw?
Alam mo, bakit ginagawa yun?
Ha? Hindi yung trace ng letter. Ikaw? Siya o ikaw?
Siya.
Wow, ang galing.
Daddy,
Wow.
okay.
Dinosaur?
Wow, ang
No,
galing.
no, that's the old man's shape. Wait lang. Look. The old man's shape.
Ah, ang galing ah.
That's the old man's shape.
Ang galing ah.
Place the letters. Daddy, okay. You're going to check. You're going to.
Kumot ka. Oh, and then?
And then, Daddy, because you used, Daddy, you're going to the smiling face. Yes or no?
Yes. Ano mo, Arian?
Like this, oh. Oh no, like this, oh.
Hmm.
A long smiling face. Like that.
Okay.
Oh, Lisa. Daddy,
Yes.
Dada, the old man is a shape. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yan. No, yes or no?
Ah, okay, no.
I will. Happy or sad?
Happy.
Oh, look. Oh. Daddy,
Yes.
someone's watching me in there.
Ah, it's not watching.
No, Daddy, look. Daddy, other one. You're going to draw the sad face. Because Daddy who look there. In get bus, he get bum. Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, you like this or you like this. You draw the sad face. What?
Like that.
Yan. Number 2.
Are you Teacher Clay?
Yeah. You're going to yes or no?
Yes.
Look. What?
Teacher Clay, I'm sleepy na.
No, I teaching you.
Are you teaching me?
Yeah. Look. Other one. You last one na. You
Last one na, then let's sleep na ha.
Daddy.
Hmm.
Let's. I'm teacher na. Look.
Yes.
Like this, oh. You Daddy. Like so. Like that. Then like this.
Ah, smiley.
Yeah. Inside there, oh. Not that one. Tun. Dapat start like this or not like this.
Okay,
Only
teacher
this
Clay.
one, oh.
Okay.
We're going to wait. Wait a wheel. Daddy, look. You're going to ano, like so.
Trace?
Like so. Can you last night sleep early today? Yes
Okay.
or no? Say.
Yes. O, say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye.
No, wait. Look, ubos na, oh. Like you saw. Wait, I will get the other, I will get the other color.
Ang galing naman.
My pawis!
You pawis? Okay, I will get electric fan. What are you doing, Clay?
My doing my assignment.
Assignment. And ate?
Doing my
Assignment
assignment.
din. Galing yung dalawa, oh.
Look, ate, oh. The rain is, wait, I will draw rain. And then I will draw rain. And the, this one of the rain, oh. Look, Daddy, oh, it's a rain.
Yes, it's the rain. Gusto ko dito rin, pero hindi ka kita mo. Gusto mo nga dito rin. Kasi gusto ka dito, hindi ko makita. Bumimerienda kami ng fries. Say, Happy Teacher's Day.
I will eat it, guys.
Ipakita mo yung mukha mo kasi para pag lumaki ka na, alam mo na kung gaano kakataba ng bata ka. You like cheese or sweet and sour? Sweet and sour? Cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese flavor? Next time, I will put. Di ba we have many pa? Ba't wala kang picture? Hindi ka na-picture? Hindi sinisend ng picture mo.
Nagsulat kami ng ano, thank you.
Tapos nilagay sa ano?
Happy Teacher's Day.
Nilagay sa ano, pag di ba sa gate, pagpasok, dito.
Hindi na. Sakto lang no?
Hindi.
Huwag ito muna siya. What is your song? The Boy? Paano yun? I will search in the YouTube.
Yeah.
You sing it.
Little boy, little boy. My God.
Ang title ng namin.
Yun.
Come here. The camera. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. Higa. Yan. Yeah.
Nasmuka ako.
Sumuka ka. Gusto mo na.
Ay, naku.
Ate do like this kanina. Ate don't do that again. Say it.
Ate, don't do that again.
May puto ako, daddy.
Ma'am naman.
Malisa ako, daddy.
Ma'am naman.
May napulot ako.
Again, Daddy. Say ate. Ate don't do that again. Say it.
Ate, don't do that again. Okay na, Clay?
Yeah.
Yung patay mo na. Okay na yan. Kasi, let's bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Let's bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See you on 2027.
2027?
I think that's zero na.
That's zero? Patay mo na.
Di
Sa
ko
gitna.
alam.
Sa gitna. Pipinitin mo yung gitna. Ano yung pinatay? Ganun mo. Usok ka na. Yung dalawa naman. Usok ka dun. Ayan.
Daddy.
Okay, dalawa. Yung key.
Ba't ka naglagay
Ay,
ng-
busog. Ay, busog.
Ba't ka naglagay ng sauce, Daddy?
Sauce, anong sauce? Yung ketchup? Pinapost ko to sa page sa YouTube eh. Hindi mo napapanood na. Hanapin mo yung pangalan ko. What are you doing, Clay?
Making the our map.
Ano? Is that your art? Oh no! You give it to me. Okay. What's that sound? Is that a cat? What is the cat doing?
Are you from that?
Catch. Play super busy making a owl house. You will eat the candy?
Sa puzzle zero. Zero.
Where's the puzzle? Ah, ang galing ah.
Ow.
Can I see? That is a puzzle. Wow, ang galing ah.
Baba na bad boy, draw a skeleton, owl. Isa something.
Midnight snack with Clay and Ate. Ano, Clay? Nag-eat ka na ng rice, nag-eat ka na ng cookies, and then chips? Ha?
I'm strong na!
You're strong?
You're strong!
Oh, si Ate. Midnight snack. You eat so many na, Clay, ah. May drink. May drink. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Clay.
Thank you, welcome.
You're welcome.
Right, me.
Clay.
Miss you, Daddy.
I miss you.
Miss you, Daddy. Hello, guys. My name is Clay Sebastian Sintolitino. So, I gonna show you.
What will you show?
Become the tracker. I have my tracker there. Look. Look at my tracker.
Yes, you're a tracker.
Look.
Today is Monday. It's December 16. Sa Wednesday ang Christmas party. Hindi na?
Daddy, look, oh, look. I will show to Lola Pat. Lola Pat! Ano mo? I see you.
Siblings?
Yeah.
Galing na.
Lola Pat, I see things ako. I have a small scooter. No, I have a small bike.
Come here, you sit here. Let's watch.
Hello, guys.
No, no, here. Here, you
Daddy,
I will take a video rin para makita rin sa video.
hello, Pa.
So that we can watch. Ang kulit ni ate, oh. Diba? That she's always dancing.
Kulit ni ate, gansyo. Gansyo, kulit ni ate, ganun. Hyper si ate, ganun na.
Hyper. Hyper si ate like that?
Yeah. That's hyper ako.
Hyper ka rin?
Yeah. Naku, why is tulala lang yan?
Tulala. Eh, you cannot talk pa eh.
How about this one? Daddy, can I go to mountain?
Ha?
Can I go to mountain?
Okay, we will go to mountain. If you have no classes na.
Why about popcorn?
It's not popcorn.
Look, it's me, it's Marga.
Smarga?
I got my same iPad.
Yes.
Look at this. And iPad and iPad.
Yes.
Look, oh. Slipper. Look, oh. Sando.
Sando. You have lot of videos. Oh, it's your graduation, no? Oh, you know how to search, ah? You just pindot the mic, okay, and you say it what you want. What this, Clay? Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Here, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, you say to yourself, you watch me, ha, when you're big na.
You watch me.
When you're big na. When you're big na, Clay, Sebastian. Oh, Daddy loves you, oh. Oh, di ba? Di ba, Clay? Daddy loves you. You say, yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, you kiss me. Wow. I love you, Clay.
I love you.
Oh, Clay, ha. Love na love ka ni Daddy, oh.
Okay.
Oh, di ba? Wow, ang galing naman ni Clay cleaning. Ang galing, ah.
Recipe sa mesa dragon seed.
Ah. Who eat that?
Lola Pat.
Ah, Lola Pat. Oh, you say to Lola Pat that don't kalat. Ang galing, ah. Good job. Oh, finish na. Finish na, it's clean na. Thank you. Thank you, Clay. O, you eat na. Isubo na, ha?
Lola Pat! Yan na ba?
Nagtapong ka raw ng dragon seed.
Tapos mamaya kalat naman.
Ay, ang galing ah.
Yan yung dust.
I gonna live in...
O, you subo na, Clay. O, bilis, subo. You subo. You subo. I want to see subo. Wow, ang galing naman.
Oo, ba't mo di nagay tapos alam